Take a pan. Add white zira 3 tablespoons. Add badian flour half tablespoon. Add bay leaf 3 pieces. Add cloves 1/4 teaspoon. Don't add small elaichi now. Add cinnamon 2 to 3 pieces. Add big elaichi half tablespoon. Add dry coriander 2 tablespoons. Add jaggery 2 to 4 flour. Add nutmeg seed 1. Add black pepper 1 tablespoon. On medium flame, roast it 3 to 4 minutes. Put everything in a chopper. Add green elaichi 4 to 5. Grind it to make powder. Filter the masala. And grind remaining again. And add it too. Add a char masala to make it more tasty. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.